you will have a website about us page looking like this. It can be similar like this, can be anything like this. So once you know how to design a website using Google site, it can literally basically design anything. In this video, I will show you how to create about us page with Google site. Host it for free, and then you don't have to pay any single penny for maintenance, for hosting your website. It totally hosted for free forever. All right, so let's get started. So to get started, you might want to log into your Google account, and when you log into your Google account, click on these 9 little dots here, and then click on the drive, and then on your drive, click on the new tab here, and then click on more and on Google Sites. So right here is our Google site admin. All right, so we want to start creating about us page. At the end of this video, you will have a website about us page looking like this. All right, it can be similar like this, can be anything like this. So once you know how to design a website using Google site, it can literally basically design anything. All right, so now we're gonna create a page called about us page. So we're gonna click on the page, and then we're gonna call it about, let's put a capital letter, about us. If you got a logo, click here to add a logo. I have made a video how to how to make a logo using canva.com. You can as well watch the video. I'm gonna leave the link in the description of this video, right? So now what you should do here is to click here to add your logo. If you haven't got a logo, you can basically use a test logo like I'm doing right here. So I'm gonna call this one my shop. Let's call it anything. You can call it anything. This is just for the tutorial, okay? My shop. Now what I'm gonna do here is to change this header image, header banner. All right, you can put a slider here using image cursor, okay? But now I'm gonna use a single image. You can even use a video right here as well, okay? So but now we're gonna go here to select image from Google. Now what I'm gonna do here is to search for image hair beauty. Hair beauty. Let's see what we can find. So we can find some different type of images that we can use for the purpose of this tutorial. All right, so now I'm gonna look around to see the one we're gonna choose. So I'm gonna choose just this one. All right, click on any one you want to choose and then click select. All right, the image gonna be here. So this is how it's gonna look, right? So here we got some text about us gonna be here, and here we got we're gonna put some text right here, which I'm gonna copy from this website. I'm gonna go back here and click text. To use text box, just insert, click on the text box here, and now what you're gonna do now is to paste the text right here, and then stretch it, and then stretch it. You want to put the text as white color, so it will show. So we're gonna put it as white. Okay, so this is how it's gonna show right here. Try to stretch it. You can as well change the font as well if you want to change the font. So we're gonna leave it like this. All right, so the next thing I want to do is to add this 20% discount. So I'm gonna go here and click text. You can double click to use the text box, or you can simply use this one here, and then I'm gonna paste this text. This text is on a white color, so I'm gonna change it to be, I'm gonna leave it as I'm gonna change it to be black. And then I'm gonna put a background color here. Let's say we're gonna put it like this. Let's put red color. So I'm gonna select image, and I'm gonna go back to Google, and I'm gonna search for red, and I'm gonna use this red, and I'm gonna select here. So now I'm gonna change this text to white color. All right, and I'm gonna change the font to this. I'm gonna change the font to this one, and I'm gonna try to change the text size to be this one. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to add the contact details right here, which is here. I'm gonna go and copy this one. I'm gonna copy this mobile phone, and I'm gonna come here and use text box to insert the text. So I'm gonna move it, and I'm gonna position it in the middle. So the next thing we're gonna do is to add to showcase the service that we offer, like image or maybe with a video. All right, but now I'm gonna use 3 image layout right here. So I'm gonna use this layout, which is 3 image. So I'm gonna click on it, and now I'm gonna go and upload some image, which is here. I've downloaded some image, so I'm gonna use this one here. The next one, I'm gonna use this one here, and the last one gonna be this one. Okay, and now I'm gonna try to delete this bit because we don't need it. So here we can copy some text from this website. There go some text as lashes. So I'm gonna copy some text. It's gonna be black color, so I'm gonna make it as black color. So I'm gonna copy it and paste it on this one. You can call yours anything. This is just an example, a tutorial. All right, so now I'm gonna try to put a background color here again. So I'm gonna choose red again. So I'm gonna go to this session background, and then click image, and then select image. Here I'm gonna type red, and I'm gonna choose this red. All right, so this is how it's gonna look. So I might try to change this color back to white, so it's looking more better when it's white. So the next thing I want to add here is to add about us, to write a little bit about us, who we are and what we do. So to do that, I'm going to quickly add image about us. So I'm going to double click here, and then I'm going to upload image using this green icon. So I'm going to choose this image, and it's going to be right here. I'm going to stretch it a little bit. On the right hand side, I can put a text. Okay, I can use text box to write a little briefly about us. So I'm gonna I'm gonna move it up, and then I'm gonna copy some text from this website as well, who we are, and I'm gonna go back here, and I'm gonna paste the text. All right, so I'm gonna put a divider right here. So I'm gonna put divider right here. So I'm not gonna put background color. I'm gonna leave this one the way it is. Okay, so another section here is to add what we do. All right, so here I'm gonna add another image again. Okay, or you can add image, you can upload video. All right, depending whatever you want to do, you can do both. All right, so I'm gonna upload image here again, and I'm gonna move it on the right hand side, and then left hand side again, I'm gonna copy some text, and I'm gonna copy this text, and I'm gonna just go back, double click, use text, and then paste the text right here. I can make this one a little bit bigger. Just click on the image and stretch it. All right, So this is how we design your About Us page. Okay, you can basically do more than this. If you spend more time doing this, you will design something amazing. All right, so now I am gonna put another divider right here. The next bit I want to do here is to add a footer. Okay, to do that, I'm gonna simply click on add footer icon, and there goes some text here. You can copy this text, you can put here, and then go back here, and I'm gonna paste this text here, and I'm gonna center this text to be in the center, in the middle. Okay, change the font if you want to do that. Okay, and then you can put background color there if you want. So I'm gonna put black background color right here. So I'm gonna do the same image, select image, and then on Google I want you to search for black, and then here is black, click on it, click select, and here is a black color. So other color here, I'm gonna select all this color and I'm gonna make them white so they will show. Now you can as well put links like terms and condition, privacy policy, and things like that. Contact us. But this is About Us we are building. It can build different type of About Us page, but this is exactly how you build your pages quickly using no Google site. This page is now hosted for free without me spending money for hosting, for maintenance. So I mean, who don't like free stuff, you know? So before I forgot, so when you're done, so what you need to do, click here to publish your website, and here call it My About Page, and then publish. And now we can view the published site by clicking here, and here is our site that we just designed. Now this is our About Us page, and you can see this doesn't look good. It's not in the middle part. You can see this one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna try to position this, put it in a center. I'm gonna center this. Okay, so it's looking much better. And before you publish, you might try to preview from here. So I'm gonna preview to see whether it's looking good before I can. Now you can see it's looking good. So now this is how it's showing on a large screen, which is desktop computer, and this is how it's showing on tablet. Okay, and this is how it's showing on a mobile phone. Okay, this website, this About Us page is now responsive. Okay, as you can see, it will display well on all the devices. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back and republish again. So republish, and I'm gonna view the publish site again. So you can see I have just fixed the issue. Okay, I center it and it's looking good. So this is what you just built, and this website now that I just built now, I didn't code it. All right, I just use a free element to build this website, and it's hosted for free forever. So you can as well benefit by using Google site. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you share it with your friend. Give it a thumbs up because it really helps my channels, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.